The metals technicians at Kunsan Air Base call themselves modern-day blacksmiths because they make the parts that keep the aircraft flying.
With aging aircraft, there's less and less capability of ordering parts through supply, so we have to manufacture them.
They put new life into sheets of steel using technology, know-how, and elbow grease.
We're kind of like the West Coast choppers of the Air Force. We actually manufacture something from nothing.
In manufacturing new parts, Metals Tech saves Kunsan and the Air Force time and money by doing the work themselves instead of outsourcing the work to third-party companies.
This year alone, the fabrication flight has sent out 10 EDs, that's engineering dispositions, and have saved the Air Force at approximately $10 million.
The Metals Tech shop lives by the creed, don't precision in every position, providing the best quality support and saving the Air Force millions. Specialist Brian Zeisler, Kunsan Air Base, Korea.